Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friends, ever wonder how your phone connects to Wi-Fi without any cable or any connections? Yeah, that's wireless networking in action. Today in this video, we will understand and discuss what is wireless networking exactly. So let's start without any delay. So let's understand what is wireless networking. If I talk about the wireless networking definition, then Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity. That wireless networking is the technology that allows devices to communicate without any physical cable or connection. It uses radio waves, infrared or satellite signals, and it eliminates the need of messy cables and provide flexibility to connect device like phone, laptop and even smart TVs like anywhere, anytime based on your coverage or signal strength. In upcoming slide, we will discuss how exactly it's working. So if we talk about its working style, then device use the antennas to send receive signals. Router access point act as a central hub and signal and transmit through the air, enabling connectivity. So how it actually works? So if I talk about device use antenna and signal receive signal means the devices use antennas. Suppose that, let me diagram some. Suppose that we have a Wi-Fi router or access point, and you are the end user. Okay, here this is the my internet. So we have modem and all this internet connectivity, or we have Wi-Fi connectivity with my end device to the Wi-Fi router or access point or Wi-Fi device. So device use antennas. These are the antenna. If I see, these are the antennas to send the received signal by converting into electrical energy into radio waves and vice versa. Okay, then transmitting the antenna takes the device data like a message or internet request and transforms it into waves which travels through the air. So suppose that any user want to access the internet, then it send the signal to access point then transmit it to internet, then receive back that same signal and send the response to end user able to access the internet. So this seamless exchange enables everything from streaming video or making phone calls and all these things to all thanks to these invisible waves and the antennas that handle them very smoothly. And user even not experience what happened within a millisecond. You all able to access everything on your mobile, on your laptop, on your tab, on your desktop and anywhere, everywhere. So that's the power of antennas, that's the power of signals, that's the power of waves in wireless technology. Next, we discuss about the a router or access point act as a central hub. What exactly is this meaning is like a router or access point is a device which managing all wireless communication between your devices and the internet. Like if you see this diagram, that here is a wireless router where working as a central hub where laptop is also connected in tab, cameras, phone, security devices, enterprise network, personal network, anything you can connect via this access point and share the network. Next topic, next point is signals are transmitted through the air, enabling connectivity. So how it is exactly one that these waves travel through the air without needing physical cable. Obviously, if you have a mobile, here you have your mobile user, and here we can this is the tower, like any ISP telecommunicate ISP tower. Then you are not connected with this tower or ISP without with any cable. You are connecting without any cable and you are accessing everything on your mobile. So these all are like kind of traveling the waves in the air. So these waves travel through the air without needing physical cable, carrying information over short or long distance with another device like a Wi-Fi enabled laptop, smartphone and other devices. Receive these waves through its antennas. Like it's a multiple frequencies, multiple antennas, multiple other technology also works behind this. It's not about only the antennas. The multiple technology, multiple protocols are running behind this technology. We will discuss in upcoming slide definitely. So it that it then it decodes signal back into the data your device can use, such as video or web page. So once you receive all these things, it will convert in a readable or video form to understand the end user. Now we will discuss about the type of wireless network. So first is like Wi-Fi for home, office network. Then we have cellular network like 4G, 5G for mobile networks. Then Bluetooth for short range connection like a headphone or speaker or mobile or laptop. Then satellite network for remote areas. These are the very common type of wireless networks. There's a other hundred things we will discuss in futures, but as of now I'm just keeping this very basic network types. So let's understand how Wi-Fi works for home or network office. Like, it can be personal or enterprise. So suppose that in our home we are always use personal Wi-Fi, and for office or for corporate networks are use enterprise network, where we have WPA, WPA2, WPA3, security, guest SSID, web portal, everything we will configure. So wireless network at your home or office, where you have the access point like AP, WLC, LAN controller, broadband router. So via these access point you will access internet, intranet, service over the Wi-Fi, over the standard of IEEE standard of 802.11. Then we have cellular network like 4G, 5G for mobile phones. So as of now we are using like 5G. I'm from India, so I can take that as of now 4G, 5G both are using parallelly, but most of the mobile are have the 5G enabled functionality. After that, I'm discussing about Bluetooth. Bluetooth is kind of I can say it's a part of PAN. PAN means personal area network. I always consider Bluetooth as a personal area network. Why I'm asking the personal area network and short range connection? Because it works between 10 to 15 meters. After that, satellite networks. So like we have a rural areas, remote areas, where still people don't have ISP connectivity, proper internet, mobile connectivity. So to provide internet and communication services to the remote area, we are using satellite. But definitely, like, we have a antenna, and then the satellite works in the remote area, then you will get the all connection. So satellite network provides internet communication service to remote area by using satellite in space to realize signals, offering connectivity areas traditionally infrastructure as unavailable. So these are few network types, wireless types, which we are using in our wireless setup, wireless connectivity. So friends, these are the brief overview of the wireless network. And what's your favorite wireless technology? Let me know in the comment below, comment box. And also hope you like this video. So please hit the like button, subscribe the channel, and share with your friends. We'll meet very soon with the next video. Till then, bye and happy learning.